So, did you know that in Godot it's actually super easy to call a URL and interact with APIs or online CDNs? All you have to do is use the readily available HTTP request node, put it somewhere in your scene, and then write a script like this one. So first, you'll want to connect your HTTP request node to the right callback function, which will be called when you receive the data. Then, when it's the right time, you'll want to call your API or your CDN, so you'll use the request method, and of course you can use different verbs depending on the URL you're using and the specificities of the online thing that you want to discuss with. And then once you've sent your request and received your data in the callback function, you can check for errors and parse it to actually use it in the game engine. So for example, you can very quickly create a random person generator using some online free APIs like this one. But now, suppose that you've received your data in your game and you want to display it in your UI in a nice way. Then you may want to check out this other quick tutorial to learn more about rich text labels and how they can help you stylize your text. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to discover more. As always, thanks a lot for watching, and take care!